Hello, MU community and potential future Cougars. Today we are showing you one of our famous open houses and what to expect at one. The day starts at 9 a.m. with check-in at the Anderson Center. When you walk in, you get a schedule of the day, a name tag with your tour number, a meal voucher, and a few other goodies. There are light refreshments and breakfast bites you can grab on the way downstairs. On the center floor, there is a Meet the Community fair with multiple tables such as Air Force ROTC, Athletics, Campus Life, Mission, Ministry and Service, Student Success Center, and so much more. This is a great chance for the attendees to meet our MU family. After check-in hour was over, everyone found their seats in the bleachers for a welcome speech and an introduction of the amazing team formed of students and staff who make events like these possible. Next, we break out into groups for a campus tour given by current Misericordia students. Everyone is able to explore all of main campus to see the popular spots that make our university so loved. Some of these spots include the dorms, Bank Student Life Center, Insalaco and Mercy Hall, Henry Science Center, and Archie Student Lounge. At the end of the campus tour, our guides brought their groups to the Lamont Theater for welcoming remarks. There are many presentations about admissions, financial aid, and so much more. Our president Dan Myers also shared a few words along with special guest Mike Dunleavy, who graduated from Misericordia in 1983 and is now currently the governor of Alaska. Following that exciting speech, it is now time for a lunch break over at Bank Student Life Center. Let's put together a delicious spread of savory and sweet bites. A little sneak peek of the tasty food we have here in the caf. After that, everyone got back in their original tour groups to attend faculty sessions that act as a preview to what classes are like at the university, as well as a chance to get to know some of the professors. Finally, that brings us to the end of the day back in the Lamont Theater with a quick panel for attendees to ask questions to current students. On the way out of the theater, people had the option to grab any tour guides for an additional tour of our residence halls, occupational and physical therapy building, or Passon Hall where SLP and nursing classes are held. And of course, the campus store is open for anyone who wanted to get MU merch or memorabilia. It is always stocked with new, cute, trendy options made by our fabulous Jen. We appreciate everyone who came out today to see why we love our campus so much, and we hope to see you at our next open house. Now a few closing remarks from our Director of Admissions, Steve Sikora.
Hi, I'm Steve Sikora. I'm Director of Admissions here at Misericordia University. We just finished a wonderful open house here on campus where we invited families to come visit, see what Misericordia is all about. If you're a high school junior or sophomore and you're thinking about that next step, going to college, or if you're a student that's thinking maybe you'll transfer to another college, come to open house. We have one in the summer, we have a couple in the fall. We'll invite you to that. It's a great opportunity to come to campus, take a tour, meet with faculty, meet staff, have lunch in our dining hall, experience the facilities, and get a sense of who we are at Misericordia. We have more to come, and I hope to see you at one of our open houses soon.